One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. I do daily videos, vlog type things, and all kinds of stuff. The first part of this video is going to be about how to easily peel garlic. I got all kinds of cars, all kinds of stuff around here. It's all for sale. Check out my website, oneownercarguy.com, and watch me peel this garlic. And today, I'm just doing a video as I make salsa. And what I'm going to do a video about is a piece of garlic. I don't know if you've seen this. Look at all the peppers and jalapenos, and we've already got these in here going. Oh man, it's on. Just peel out the outer. Now I like to just go like this a little bit, stick it in there, then you go like this, and you go like this, and you shake the piss out of it. And for the most part, put the ones back in that don't do it, because there gets to be so much leafy leaves. But it's the absolute quickest way that I've found. And they basically come out near perfect. So, cool tip, that's it. Just about salsa and how to do a garlic. We'll talk to you.
Cool tip.
Subscribe, like, comment. All that. I do daily videos. You should be on this channel. See you tomorrow. You know what's funny? All of a sudden, I got all kinds of trucks around here. There's just trucks everywhere. I used to didn't have a lot of trucks around. I used to didn't have a lot of trucks around, but now I got trucks coming out of my ears. So that's part one. Part two, that one's sold. Well, that's the video today. Hope you enjoyed the garlic. Tomorrow's will be the full review of a truck. And I don't know what else this weekend, man. Happy 4th of July. Hope you're all doing great. Tune in daily, because I do daily videos. Yeehaw. Woo-hon. We'll talk to you.